Okay. Hello guys, back to my channel Lina V. Today I want to create content about my online college activities during this pandemic. This pandemic does not only have an impact on the economy, but all levels of education are also affected, ranging from elementary, junior high, high school, to universities being affected. And because I'm at the cottage, I usually start doing the tasks after reciting, and I work on college my assignment in special room. Okay, let's go to the laptop room. Usually, when I do my work, I bring some snack and drinking water so as not to get sleepy. Okay guys, I want to do the assignment.
Won't you take me higher now, somewhere that we can feel brand new? 'Cause I know that this could be a good life. I know that this could be a good life if we wanted to. Yeah, won't you take me higher now, somewhere that we can feel brand new? Won't you take me higher now, somewhere that we can feel brand new? 'Cause I know that this could be a good life.
This online lecture obstacle is a signal problem. I have to find a place with a lot of signal, especially if the model of video conferencing or direct examination must be in a place with a lot of signal, because if not, it will fail.
Won't you take me higher now, somewhere that we can.
My impression during college online, honestly enjoy studying online, but a lot of hardship. A lot of hardship. And if I could choose, better going to college and studying offline, can meet friends, lecturer, and other people. Maybe it's better. Maybe it's better. Hopefully, this pandemic will quickly pass, and lecturer will resume activities now.
try to escape from it. Let's hide away if you really want to run.
Okay? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
With you